Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet another beautiful headband with a fast, easy and beginner friendly tutorial. Feel free to use any colors you like. I'll be using purple for the main pattern and pink for the edging. First, make a slip knot and chain 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. We can also call it incomplete double crochet. Repeat this pattern until you have 6 incomplete double crochets. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook to complete the cluster stitch. Chain 4. Turn your work and work another 6 double crochet cluster into the circle space created in the previous row. Again, work 6 incomplete double crochets, then yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Repeat this pattern until your headband reaches your desired length. You can also watch my other crochet headband tutorial by clicking the link above.
Never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary. Only your love's gonna make it.
Once you have finished the main section, pick up your second color and join the yarn to begin the edging. Chain 3. Work 4 double crochet into the space from the previous row. After these 4 double crochet, for the last one, make another double crochet but yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops together. Chain 1 and repeat this pattern into the spaces from the previous row to the end. We will chain 6 double crochet into the spaces created from the previous row, but with this difference that for the first and for the last double crochet we yarn over and pull through the yarn over the 3 loops together to make it like a wave pattern. Repeat the same edging pattern on the both sides of the headband. And if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Here, join with a slip stitch at the end. For the strands, you can crochet them the same way I do, or simply make a chain if you prefer a simpler style. To make the strap, work 1 double crochet into the 4th chain to form a small loop. Chain 3, then work 5 double crochet into the loop. Chain 3 again and repeat this pattern to the end.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side.
Join with a slip stitch at the end.
Only place I can hide.
Do this for both sides, and now your beautiful crochet headband is finished. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. If you have any ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.